Hi, it's Lynn Como, and I'm excited to share my newest artwork, You Are Enough Kit of the Month, and online crop scheduled for June 12th. This is our newest catalog for May and June, and you can find this special promotion for National Scrapbooking Month in the back of the catalog. It has a beautiful product line, stunning coordinating papers, and rose gold cardstock, Picture My Life cards, stamp set with thin cuts, and this beautiful butterfly thin cut set. In addition, you'll be able to create 16 beautiful pages of artwork with me. Look at this beautiful rose gold sticker sheet as well as other stickers that coordinate with You Are Enough. Here are the beautiful patterns, which are double-sided with zip strips. Each sheet is showing you the front and back of each pattern, which are so pretty. The colors are striking. Love the clouded distress look, the handwritten paper. And this last one, the glacier hexagons with rose gold, is just stunning in person. There's also coordinating cardstock that has a rose gold pattern. Each pattern has a coordinating cardstock as well, so it's two-sided. And this is ballerina, bluebell, sangria, sapphire, glacier, and peach are the coordinating colors. It also comes with these beautiful butterfly stickers that are rose gold and iridescent, and Picture My Life cards that are in 3x4 and 4x6 size. I am using many of these products to create the 16 pages of artwork for Kit of the Month. Here's the beautiful coordinating stamp set with thin cuts to do the butterflies and diamonds and the words that I'm using for the artwork. This is a stunning die set for the butterflies. They're about 4 inches, and the large butterfly has 3 cuts to it, and the small one has 2. Here are the different layers that you'll see that we will be creating within the artwork. So pretty. Yeah, it's about 3.5 to 3 3/4 inches. It's a nice size butterfly. I will also be incorporating this brand new leaf thin cut. They're very pretty to work with. We're using shimmer brushes in gold, bluebell, and peach, rose gold sequins, and I did add some oxide inks in tattered rose, picked raspberry, chipped sapphire. And the seedless preserves, you might be able to use that if one of these are not available. Ink pads are ballerina, sangria, bluebell, sapphire, glacier, and peach. And all of these will be listed on my shopping list. Now let's get ready to see the artwork. Now here are the first 2 pages. You Are Wonderful. You can see how I use the butterflies. They're really very pretty. And I used the copper ore paper with the thin cut leaves to add that little punch to match the rose gold. So they're stamping, there's the butterfly, very pretty. We're also using the 3D flowers, and many of you own that already. Now here is the same layout, more in a feminine fashion, Believe in Yourself. Now if you don't want to use any of the sayings, you can create whatever saying or title you want instead. But you can see how I've used the sequin butterflies, and this is the same exact layout that you can see here. But to me, one is more feminine and one is more masculine. Or you can use it for anything at all that you'd like. So those are pages 1 through 4. Here's the next set of pages. Now you see how I've used a lot of the blue and the waffle leaf I love in the copper ore paper. I also did the butterfly in the copper ore paper, and it really pops. So great to try this. It's nice and thick. Love the look of it, and I love these pages, and I did use some of the chipped sapphire oxide inks to add that texture look to the paper. So this is one of those techniques that you'll use, and we also added some gold shimmer brushing, which adds just a little bit of pop to the pages. Now here's the same layout, but in the pinks. You can see how I did all of the oxide ink on the background Still using the copper for the leaves and the butterflies. It really is stunning. I love this layout. So there's the girls. Same identical layout when you put them next to each other, but changing out the Picture My Life cards. So here are the next set of pages. These are pages 9 through 12. So here's that beautiful glacier hexagon paper, and the butterfly is a Picture My Life card, but we are doing some thin cut butterflies. And this is actually a new pattern out of the Make It From Your Heart Volume 5 edition. Using the same guide, same pattern, we're using the Sangria rose gold paper and ballerina cardstock to get this look, and some gold shimmer brushing to add some extra detail and pop. The butterflies are so pretty on these. So here you'll see it's identical as far as the layout design goes, but just changing out the papers gives it a whole new look. Well, that's 12 pages so far. Here's page 13 and 14. Now this page was inspired by Julie Carriere, and I really appreciate her sharing her artwork, but I did use stamping and tattered rose on the 3D flowers, and the leaves are from the new leaf thin cut. It is just stunning. You can see the rose gold stickers, the fancy cut bracket that I used on the Picture My Life cards. Love that color. Here's the last set of pages, You Are Enough, where we're using the peach and bluebell shimmer brushes and the tattered rose oxide ink to add the distressed look to the back of the pages. So pretty. The butterflies are stunning as well. The beautiful 3D flower and the copper leaves really add a little extra punch to this layout. Well, there you have it, all 16 pages. You can find details at lynncomo.com, but let's go over them again so you can see the beautiful artwork that you can create with me on June 12th. I will show you how to cut and measure, stamp, thin cut, do the oxide ink, all the distressing, everything that we've done on these pages at the online crop. It's an amazing event that you can learn so much with me. I hope you'll join in. The shopping list, registration, and details are on my blog at lynncomo.com.